In a surprising turn of events, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has made a discovery involving astronomers, the entire world. Just a few weeks ago, the telescope discovered the earliest known galaxy in the entire universe, but it has now detected something even more massive. A massive black hole that is moving away from its galaxy at 4 million miles per hour, an incredible speed. This most recent discovery has implications that are very significant and has produced a lot of speculation among scientists and fans of space about what it means for our understanding of the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope was sent on a mission to investigate the universe's first stars and galaxies, and has captured stunning images of the death of a few stars and galaxies hundreds of millions of years after the Big Bang. We invite you to explore the latest discoveries from this telescope with us. Remember to like and subscribe for more content like this one. The science community's current understanding of black holes is being challenged by this discovery. Black holes are generally considered to be massive entities that pull everything, even light, toward them. But the recently observed black hole appears to be having the opposite effect. It is producing light rather than absorbing it. A new trail of newborn stars has been observed following the black hole, which extends a staggering 200,000 light-years away. Scientists are puzzled by the unusual behavior of this black hole in comparison to others. A team led by Professor Binda of geoastronomy recently published a report on their findings in the astrophysical journal Letters. Additionally, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope confirmed these observations, suggesting that new stars emerge from the black hole when it comes into contact with gas and cools it. We are seeing the wake behind the black hole, but NASA goes beyond that. It has made an exciting announcement about the galactic merger ARP-220, which the James Webb Space Telescope captured. This impressive merger of galaxies can be seen shining among other galaxies in the night sky. When two spiral galaxies merge, the phenomenon known as ARP-220 shines brightest in infrared light, making it perfect for the James Webb Space Telescope to observe. It is classified as an extremely bright infrared galaxy with a luminosity compared to 1 trillion suns. The Milky Way, our own galaxy, has a much lower luminosity of about 10 billion suns. ARP-220 is located about 250 million light-years away in the constellation Serpens. It is regarded as one of the closest of 3 collisions with other galaxies too. Earth is listed as object number 220 in the Atlas of Peculiar Galaxies. Approximately 700 million years ago, a collision between 2 spiral galaxies triggered a massive star formation explosion here, creating a dense region about 5,000 light-years across with approximately 200 surprisingly large star clusters. As much gas as in the entire Milky Way is contained in this small area. Previous observations with radio telescopes discovered about 100 supernova remnants in a distance of less than 500 light-years across. The Hubble Space Telescope demonstrated that the ancestor galaxies are located 1,200 light-years apart, and that each core contains a rotating ring of star formation that emits dazzling infrared light. The latest views from the James Webb Space Telescope reveal an impressive galactic merger of the 2 galaxies. This image also shows faint tidal tails extending from the outskirts of the merger, pointing to the force of gravity between the 2 galaxies. Finally, the red, orange, and yellow streams and filaments represent scattered organic materials in ARP-220. Another stunning discovery stumped scientists. When they discovered primordial galaxies at the edge of the universe, they were skeptical about their authenticity. Some thought they might be disguised nearby galaxies. So, they shared the data with other scientists around the world, hoping for the best. Amazingly, the James Webb Space Telescope confirmed that these ancient galaxies are genuine. As a result of this revolutionary telescope, we can now see the oldest galaxies ever observed. Astronomers estimate that these galaxies' light has traversed 13.5 billion years to reach Earth, giving us a glimpse into the distant past of the universe. These galaxies were discovered when the universe was young, shedding light on how rapidly the initial generations of galaxies formed. Spectral data revealed that these galaxies are at the edge of our view, some even farther away than Hubble could see. The discovery is crucial because it validates one of the most important tasks of the James Webb Space Telescope, which is to investigate the earliest universe by means of light that has traveled over 13.5 billion years. The ability to measure extreme redshifts is what sets the James Webb apart, enabling astronomers to gain access to the first infrared range and observe galaxies in the universe. As this discovery is made, the excitement can be felt. It marks a significant turning point in the exploration of the universe and in understanding its evolution. This discovery has had a major impact on our understanding of the universe and inspired NASA to develop even more powerful telescopes to check if our understanding of the Big Bang is accurate. Information gathered from the near-infrared spectrometer of the Webb camera has revealed that 4 of the 6 primordial galaxies exhibit extreme redshifts, indicating that we are watching them as they existed 300 to 500 million years after the Big Bang without heavy elements such as carbon. This is surprising since the universe is estimated to be 13.8 billion years old. And the existence of these galaxies suggests that we need to revise our knowledge of the early universe. This has raised questions in the scientific community, as these new discoveries challenge the current cosmological inflation model and the Big Bang theory, which has some flaws like going against the thermodynamic principle and not having a clear explanation of what triggered the Big Bang. The James Webb Space Telescope has found galaxies almost as old as the Big Bang itself, which questions everything we believed we understood about the universe. According to theoretical physicist Michio Kaku, it's the discovery of old galaxies by the James Webb Space Telescope has cast doubt on everything we were aware of concerning the beginning of the universe. Previously, these galaxies were thought to be less developed than the Milky Way, but the new findings suggest that we may be missing crucial information. The fact that the telescope has identified 6 galaxies that existed 500 million years after the Big Bang, and as many as 10 larger than the Milky Way, raises the question of whether our current theories about the creation of the universe are correct. Kaku explained that it takes billions of years to develop a galaxy like the Milky Way, so it is strange to find such large, young, primordial galaxies. This discovery may require us to revise and rewrite the textbooks on the beginning of the universe. Findings from the James Webb Space Telescope challenge what we thought we knew about the Big Bang, leaving scientists at a crossroads. Nonetheless, NASA recently posted a tweet about a galaxy cluster that lies just 650 million years after the Big Bang, adding another intriguing piece to the puzzle. Astronomers have analyzed the data and concluded that this cluster of galaxies is expected to grow in size and become something similar to the colossal Coma cluster A1656. The place where all this is taking place is unique and special, as it is in an area of accelerating galactic evolution. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, researchers can now measure the velocities of these 7 galaxies, which gives them the confidence to confirm that they are bound together in a protocluster. To put this in perspective, NASA scientists compared these distant galaxies to small drops of water in various rivers that will eventually join together to form a large, powerful river. This clearly demonstrates that what we previously believed about the Big Bang is not adding up as expected. However, more data from the Webb telescope has revealed evidence that could confirm or disprove the theory. Who knows? Perhaps the Big Bang did occur, but the cause is a different story. In any case, we will have to wait for more discoveries. But the answer may be closer than we think. What do you think about these discoveries? Share your thoughts in the comments box, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for viewing.